Hey, officer, is there a reason why you illegally opened my door? You did. I drove that green truck through here. You opened my door, sir. Yes, sir. You're the only one out here in a green camo. You knocked on my door and chipped my glass with your metal flashlight. Excuse me, sir. What's your name and badge number?
Officer Walton, 1150.
Oh, so it's you from earlier. The same officer I got you on recording earlier.
Please step back over here.
I surely will. What's your name and badge number too, sir? Name and badge number.
Flynn, 1122. Please stay.
Okay. Hey, Susan, are you a supervisor? Are you a supervisor, ma'am?
I am.
Okay, now I have a complaint. He illegally opened my door for no probable cause at all. Hello, is anybody going to answer me? Is there a reason why your officers are illegally opening people's doors? Do you not see the streets blocked off, but there's traffic coming through here? Hello? Squad car C564. Yeah, this guy is nothing. No, you're not. There's nothing here. He violated my rights. No, I didn't hear nothing you said.
Because you're screaming at me.
He violated my rights.
Sir, we are trying to clear a traffic accident.
So why is he illegally opening my door?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So are you going to find out?
If you would like to talk to me, I will talk to you.
Sure, ma'am.